Lily says, talk to me, Ella. Can you read her a story? Can you read Lily a story?
Read her a story. She's ready.
Lily's a sleepy butt.
I know. She needs a nap. You gonna read it to her? Go ahead.
Where's her toes? Where's Lily's toes? There's her toes. And those are her toes. That's right. Say, I got the toe tapping blues. I got the toe tapping blues.
Uh-oh. Lily's gonna tell you. Yeah.
What you got to say, Lily? Say, Mama, I'm sleepy.
Yeah.
Sing her
Oh.
song. Hey, Ella. Say, shh, Lily.
Where's her pacifier? Do you see her pacifier?
Can you put it in her mouth?
Put it in her mouth for her. Yeah.
Good girl, Ella.
There you go. There you go. Good job.
You're a good helper.
Yay.
Thank you. Thank you, Ella.
Yay. Look at Lily. Yay! Yeah, there you go. Put it in her mouth for her. All right.
Good job.
Yeah. Is she helping you? Is she helping you? Are you helping her?
Get the hair out of your eyes, honey. There we go. Say thank you, Miss Shanna.
Yeah? You gonna give her her pacifier? Yeah? There you go. There you go.
Lily's talking to ya. Sing her a song. Yeah?
Yeah? What?
Can you sing her a song, Ella? Good song.
Yeah.